Moving on, address, column and row. So simply address tells you the address tells you the address of a particular cell. So for example, I want to check that what is the cell number for column 2 and row 32. So address would tell me that what is the address for row 32 and column 2. So it is simply the address. So if you have to use address somewhere, in any case in a macro or anywhere, you can have a separate cell in which you can put in the address and can use it from there. Secondly, now you have address. You want to check that what is there in this address, what is written in B32. B32 is cell. So address have told me the address, and now I want to check what is written in this particular address. So simply you can use indirect. Indirect will tell you that what does this cell actually contain. So I want to check what is there in B32. So I use equals to indirect this cell, and then it will tell me cell, that this cell contains cell. So for example, if I want to look at that what is there in 28th row of second column, it will tell me value. So it is B28 and it has value in it. So simply you can pull in any data from any column, any row set using this formula, which is indirect address. So you can do indirect and then address, and in address you can provide column and row.